Hello and welcome in Anna's Fashion channel. I'm coming to you with a super quick, super easy video how to create a snowflakes like this using just a strip of papers. Yes, there is nothing complicated, nothing super sophisticated. Anyone can do it if you're a beginner, and you can also use those to decorate your Christmas present. All you need to do, just have a few strips of paper, different length. As you can tell, there is a snowflake like this with elements just not very different in length between the point edges. This one is like a very traditional one, or just a funky one like this. So for the snowflake like this, you just need to create 6 elements, exactly the same elements, and then you can just join them together, how you can actually build the snowflakes. So I'm gonna share the technique with you how to create the snowflake like this. I think this one is the most favorite one, what I really like. And I thought I will share it with you. This is really like a 5 minutes, really quick tutorial, last minute, where you can actually jump on and decorate your Christmas wrapping for your friends, for your family, for your loved one. So without any further ado, as you can tell, I've got 5 elements ready on my desk, and I just need to share with you the final elements, how I can actually build a snowflake. So for the elements, you just need a 1 longer strip of paper and 2 smaller one. So the length of the paper what I will be using, the shorter length is roughly like 2/3 of the larger. You can make it like this, up to just literally a little bit shorter than the longer one, and this is how you can create a snowflake like this. Or you can just make it really shorter, like almost like half of a length, and then you can create a snowflake like this. So let me just begin. So I've got a strip of paper, and I've got quite thin strips of paper. These are literally like a 1/2 centimeter thickness. But like I said, it's down to you, whatever you would like to choose, whatever you would like to do. So 1/2 centimeter is just more than enough. All you need to do is just bend them in half and just attach the glue to join the elements together. And to add a shape, you can just slightly adjust it in your fingers like so. Let me just repeat the process. So we've got 2 shorter elements, so we can join them together like so. Move it on the fingers to give them a shape. There we go. And then the final one we have is no-brainer, nothing different. We just add in a bit of a glue to attach and join them together. And that's how we shape the nice shape on the end, so it will be nice and round. So now we can just attach the all elements to join them together. So we're gonna have something like this. So we're applying a bit of a glue and then joining the elements together like so. There we go. So we've got 2 elements joined, and then we're gonna just join the last one together like so. There we go. So as a final effect, we have something like this. Okay, and the final elements, we just have to join all of them together. All 6, we have to just join them together. Whichever you do choose, if you're gonna work with a hot glue gun, or if you're gonna work with your craft glue, whichever you feel comfortable with, there is no wrong with that. And there we go. We're applying a small amount of a glue so we can join the elements like so. There we go. That's what we have. And this is how we're gonna carry on working and joining all the 6 elements together. There we go. So we have 3. There we go. So we have a 1/2 of a snowflake ready. So I have another 3 to join together. Now be very gentle with the amount of the glue what you're using. If you're working with a hot glue, just try to use as little as possible, so you're not making a really big blobs of a glue, because it's going to be quite visible, and that's something where you don't want to really happen. So final elements I'm attaching. There we go. And we have our snowflake ready. And to finish it off, we can add a nice little glittery confetti star. We can add, for example, maybe a little, for example, I don't know, even little fluffy pom-pom, whatever you have on your stash, little fluffy ball, whatever you want. And also what you can do, you can add a bit of a glue and sprinkle a glitter, so they're gonna be all nice and shiny. There we go. Oops, got a star picked up. There we go. Okay, let me just bring that closer to you. There we go. So our snowflake is ready. So I hope you enjoyed this last minute quick session with me. Have a lovely Christmas, everyone. Have a lovely time with your family, with your friends, with your loved ones. If you're spending on your own, I hope you're gonna have still a good, nice, relaxing time. Whatever your plans are, I hope everything is gonna work out and it's gonna be enjoyable. Love and kisses to you all, and once again, Merry Christmas. I'll talk to you soon. Bye bye.